Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Catsell Create, and I am coming on today with a haul. Yes, I had not gone to Dollar Store or Dollar Tree. I forgot what the name of the store is already. I haven't been there for over a month. Oh my gosh, I've missed on so much, or maybe not, huh? But yeah, I cannot believe so many items that are new there. So, yeah, let me just, I guess, go ahead and start with what I got from Dollar Tree. Yeah, is that the name of it? Oh my goodness. So anyways, look at this cute sign. So I am thinking this is going to be my sign for my table here. So when I have hauls, anything that I create, I am probably going to put this on here. I love it. This is so cute. Look it. It's really, it's not wood. It's like those cardboard stiff things or whatever, but anyways, it's so cute. I love it. And I grew up in the desert, so this reminds me of home. Yes, I grew up in the desert. The desert's always been my life. Basically sunshine year round. Okay, so this so much reminds me of my desert home. Now I live where pine trees are around, and I'm not used to it. I am not used to it. I cannot get used to it. I will get used to it eventually, but yeah, I'm just hoping to go back to California. That's all I could say. Anyways, I do apologize for my rambling. Anyways, so I also found these. Look at how big these are. Look at the size of my hand. Look at my hand. These were 99 cents. Of course, Dollar Tree. Yes, I bought 2 of these. So I am probably going to put either my washi, my pearls in here. I don't know, but I love these. I wanted to get more, but I honestly don't have enough room in this house or this apartment I live in, but I thought that was a good size. So anyways, I got that. I found me, yes, my foamy. So this is a repurchase. I love this. This is my buddy. These are my buddies. And guess what else I found? Look at these. Aren't these cute? This looks like a little mask. I don't know what it is, but look at, I loved it because of this. So I got me a few. These are gonna go to some Happy Meals that I am gonna be sending out. I'm not saying when I'm gonna send it out. Look at that one. That is so cute. I love the BAM one. I wish I could stay with them, but I won't use them. I already know. Look at this one, the Boom. Is it the, oh, Pow, sorry. Look at all the shimmery and glitter in it. It's so cute. So I got me those. I got me these. These are so cute. These are jumbo playing cards, and these are from the Adventures from Infinity War. My kids just saw this movie, Infinity War, this 2 weekends ago, and they just loved it. And look at, just wanted to show you really quick because I hadn't seen it myself, but this is awesome. I love these. I probably will not be giving them to my kids, or maybe I would. I don't know. I was thinking of using these on maybe when I start doing my journaling or my traveler's journaling books. Aren't these cute? These are so awesome. I think I'm restarting. So yeah, I think these are most of the same, but let me see. Yeah, I think they are. Look at this one. Yep, that's my favorite Hulk as well. So really quick, I just wanted to go ahead and flip through these. Yeah, these are mostly the same already. So I got me those. And then I found these. Awesome. They're playing cards as well. So one of my favorites from the princesses is Cinderella. I love Cinderella. So aren't these so adorable? I think this one just has this one. Oh, okay. So I guess it doesn't have the whole pictures like the other ones. I should have just opened it there and browsed through it. But I think it's the queens, jacks, and kings are the ones that only have the pictures. So it's good to know, good to see. Sorry, I thought I was gonna see more, but look at these. I guess each set has its own princess. I think that was Rapunzel. Is Rapunzel a princess? I don't know. Maybe she was. See, is it Rapunzel? I don't even know her name no more. Sorry. The Little Mermaid, that was my sister's favorite movie. Or, yeah, Disney. So, yep. It's still okay because you know what? And I love Ursula. Ursula is one of my favorite villains. So, I guess that's it for that one. So, I also found me these. These are awesome. Look at these containers. I got me 4 of these. Excuse my glare. Aren't these awesome? So, ask me what I'm going to do with these. I still don't know. I just love the color. This is one of my favorite colors. And, of course, one of my favorite colors, I had to get it. So, what am I going to do? I don't know. And I also got a repurchase. This is a repurchase. I already took 2 of them out because I needed to put it. This is what I used to put in my post or mailbox outside for the postman. So I could hang my mail when I hang my mail there. So I already used 2 of them. So anyways, that's it for my Dollar Tree haul. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch. Hopefully it wasn't too boring. Hopefully it wasn't too fast. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and feel free to leave a comment down on the description below. Well, everybody have a good day. We will see you guys on our next video. Bye.